Hello everybody, what's up, and welcome back again to another vlog. And today, pupunta tayo ng Chiayi guys kasi mag-meteor garden tayo, diba bongga? So by the way, ito yung meeting place, Taipei Main Station South 1. So dapat hanapin ito guys, first thing first. So medyo nakakalito siya guys kasi nandito siya sa taas, tapos kapag pupunta ka sa baba, napaka-complicated ng ruta. So yeah. And by the way, I booked this one via Klook, and sabi nung tour guide daw, this tour was specifically made for Filipinos. Let's go. Ito yung guide namin guys, and then ito yung mga kasama kong mga Pilipino. Kompleto na kami guys. All out Filipino. Filipino lang talaga ang nag-a-avail ng tour na to. So let's go. At ito yung sasakyan natin guys. And nakarating na kami sa aming first stop. So yung first stop namin is Zhongshe Flower Market dito sa Taichung. So yung mga kasama ko nakarating na daw sila dito kahapon. So they will be visiting this again. Tayo ay pupunta na ng Zhongshe Flower Market dito sa Taichung.
Namin tour kay Daddy kahapon, parang sis yung kahapon.
Ito lagi kabuangan ang tour guide guys. And we are now, wow, look at that guys. Okay. Wow. Grabe guys, ang ganda dito. Like, ang daming flowers. At ito yung... Say hello.
Hello.
This is our tour guide.
Yeah, I'm Johnny.
Johnny. So, ito yung makikita niyo dito. Ang daming mga flowers, colorful. And look. Again, we are still here in Zhongshe Flower Market. Ang ganda dito guys. So if you're planning to visit Taiwan, you should include this in your itinerary. Ganda no? Ang ganda dito guys. Marami kang pwedeng gawin. And maraming kasi klase ng mga bulaklak na makikita nyo dito. So ito, napaka-attractive nito. Look. Diba? Amazing. So, naka-assign ka ba na mag-maintain. So, bawal lumaki yung mga weeds. Meron pa dito. Amazing. Hindi pa rin sila makamove on dyan. Doon na lang, oh, mas maganda doon. Yung may piano pa rin doon.
Oo, meron pa nga doon sa...
Oo. Punta na tayo doon. Baka mag-12 na. So... Okay, nandito na tayo guys. So ito pala yung ano niya, kapag hindi pa siya nag full bloom. And then another set of flowers. Take a look at that. And then this one, very lovely. Pero ito talaga ang ano, ito talaga yung bongga. Look. Diba? May red at meron ding lavender. So try natin yung both. Diba guys? Look. Grabe yung So nice. Look at it. Aside from flowers guys, meron din silang mga prutas at gulay. Look, may kalabasa, tapos may parang upo. And katabi niya is itong lavender field. Diba? Amazing. So currently guys, nandito tayo sa park na to. May maliliit na sunflower. May mga bulaklak dito guys. And malalaking sunflower. Look. Amazing. And of course, roses. At malapit na kaming matapos guys. So ito, kakatanim pa lang. So hindi pa siya nag-bloom talaga. So yeah.
Hindi ko sa shade.
And we're now here sa next stop natin guys, Lipaw Outlet Mall. So
150.
yes.
Okay, bye-bye.
So yeah. So ito na yung ano dito guys, Lipaw Outlet Mall. And yeah. Ang laki ng outlet mall guys, pero konti lang yung tao. Bakit kaya? So I think normally yung mga customers na ina-expect nila is galing sa mga tourist bus. May nakita kasi ako na ano, mga tourist bus. So we are looking for the kainan. So ito yung itsura dito guys. Go Go Sports. So mingaw dito guys. Walang masyadong tao. At may Team Juan dito.
Starbucks or 7-Eleven.
So this is my lunch guys. It's 99 NTD. So tingnan nyo dito guys. Gaso-aso pa siya. It's so hot. So nandito pa rin tayo guys sa Lipaw Outlet Mall. At busy pa rin sila sa pagpapapicture kay Dowmingse. At kami ay pupunta na sa Meteor Garden location. And tingnan nyo guys, dito pala yung Ferris wheel. Bongga. Oh my gosh, National Chungcheong University. Oh my gosh.
Hindi pa rin kinalat kayo yung lugar.
Oh my gosh. Finally, we made it here. National Chungcheong University. Tayo ay pupunta na sa mga filming location.
Oh my God, after...
Grabe no? 20 years.
After what?
Parang 2004 yata yun lumabas. Or 2003.
2000.
Parang ganon. Oo. Grabe no? Look guys. So may something dito. I'm not sure para saan siya. Diba? Amazing. Wow. So yan yung famous bridge guys. Let us now explore the buildings of Chongcheng University guys. Look at that. Ah, this one. My goodness. Parang uulan yata. By the way guys, sa lahat ng binook ko for this Taiwan trip, ito yung pinakamahal. It's I think around 3,500 plus. Kasi medyo malayo yung location na ito. Kasi it's here in Chiayi. And medyo malayo siya from Taipei. Yes. And yung tour na naka-base is kailangan siyang mag-start from Taipei kasi dadaan pa ng Taichung doon sa flower market. Yes. We are now going to the next stop. Ayan, oo nga no. Ang ingay natin. Next please.
Yellow. Johnny, thank you for being such a good sport.
And let us now go to the next stop. I'm not sure kung saan. Ah, yung may mga puno. Diba? So dito yata yung spot kung saan may scene na nagmomotor si Sunshine. Pak.
Okay, we're gonna walk then you take blur shot. Okay, thank you. Let's go, walk.
Ang layo na ng tour guide namin guys. And check this out. So yan yata yung scene na tinatambayan ni Damings, ni Sunshine at saka ni Watchile. So effort talaga si Johnny na mag picture. Ta. Okay.
My model. You are my model. Okay.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
We are still here guys. So may fountain dito guys. So tayo ay pupunta na sa landmark ng National Chung Cheng University. So, nagpipictorial na naman sila. Yung background is parang isa rin namang lumang building ng Chung Cheng. So, we are now going to the library. So, ito yung library nila, guys. So, I think visitors are allowed to go inside. This is the library. Nandito na talaga. Oh my gosh. Sila rin. So a student is opening his locker here. So may mga students dito nagsa-study, guys. Pero ang silent ng kanilang library.
Okay, go. Okay, go.
You're smiling.
You should be mad.
I should be mad.
Yeah, you should be mad.
Kaso masapang ka sa kanya. Dito ka pumapang.
Ito na, yung isa na lang. Yung isa na lang. Yan, yan, yan.
Okay na yan.
Lapitan ko pa.
Hindi, sila lumapit.
Siya lapit.
Gaganon ba siya? Hindi, you're not going to see.
Look at her. Look at
I
her.
hate you.
Wow.
Closer, 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 closer.
Johnny, closer.
Closer, Johnny. Let's now get inside the library. awkward doon sa loob ng library, guys. Pinagtitinginan kami ng mga students kung bakit kami nandun, tapos sila, they are peacefully studying. So let's now go to the next stop kung saan pinag-aagawan si Sunshine. Di ba?
Next! Video!
Okay, here are signs. Yakap ka din, Mars! Yakap ka din, Mars! Papatalo! Ulit. Okay. Wait, this time, Johnny, you... Ano, bitawan yung kamay.
Let go.
Let go of their hand. And then you choose. Okay? Alright. Video. Okay. Let go of their hands and then you choose. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Maraming pondo yun, Marcy. Picture lang. Huwag kang mag-alala, maraming picture yun.
Between the club.
Of course, you'll choose Johnny. I'm just a prop. Oh.
Okay. Everybody.
So malapit siya sa admin, guys. Yun yung ano niya. Ito yung building and
Sa mga estudyante dito, mga mga. Gagwapo eh. Hindi tayo nagsabi.
and guys, ito na yung last stop namin, guys, yung stadium. So yan yata yung mascot ng university. So ito yung kanilang gymnasium or stadium, diba? So busy pa rin sila sa pictorial, guys. So gymnasium, maraming mga students dito, marami ring mga cars.
Just mine.
Just mind me.
Yung linya ng hello, love, goodbye.
Right, Johnny?
Hello, love, goodbye. Kung
Happiness is temporary.
yes.
Are you happy, Johnny?
You have girlfriend, Johnny?
You have girlfriend?
Why are you single? Yeah, I can relate. Oh, which guy?
Tour guide. Competitive si Johnny.
Happy birthday, Yaya!
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Ang tanda ko na.
How old are you?
35.
Oh, that's still young.
Yeah.
Mas matanda. Hello mga ate.
Ano ka talaga?
36. Pero magta 36 kayo. Malapit na. Soon.
Happy birthday!
At nandito tayo sa stopover, guys. May toilet dito at napakalaki ng toilet. So dito I think nagsasap over yung mga sasakyan at saka mga bus para makapag restroom break. And that ends our tour. So wag na kayong mabigla guys na makikita niyo yung pagmumukha niyo sa YouTube.
Ay wow, like
Yes, like and subscribe. Char-char lang ito guys. Bye! Bye!
Follow namin now.
Sige po.
Give you good feedback.
Lakad lang?
Lakad lang po namin. Kaya kami nakikita namin Mr. Sheshe Johnny.
Sheshe, bye-bye. Wala ba kayong naiwan? Bye po. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ingat kayo.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye po.
Thank you.